Hello homeowners, if your over-the-range Panasonic microwave oven is not turning on, I need to tell you that this well-known issue. And in this video I'm going to explain what happened and why. Hey, I'm Gary. I run my appliance repair business here in Calgary, and on my YouTube channel you can find the answer to all of kinds of the home appliance questions. Please subscribe and let's move on to our over-the-range Panasonic microwave. So if it's not turning on, then it is a typical issue. It happens not only with the Panasonic microwave but also with any other make of the microwave oven. It looks like when you shut the door, it immediately trips the breaker. You switch the breaker on and the oven gets power, and then it happens again once you shut the door.
So we got a over-the-range microwave, no power. So as soon as you plug it in and you turn it on, it trips the breaker. So if I go to the breaker now, it's tripped.
So the root cause is the door switch. It's simply broken or misaligned.
So what usually causes that is a bad switch inside. So I do have the replacement with me. Now we'll replace the door switch with this new one here.
In general, the door latch consists of the plastic housing, very sensitive and very fragile, with the 3 switches on it. And switches are very cheap. They're like $5 to $10 each and easily can be burned out in case you shut the door or even slammed it.
Once you have the door open, all you have to do is push up and pull out. This releases this.
Within a time, the door latch getting worn out, and that's kind of a natural process because you shut the door and the most pressure is on the latch itself.
Now with the screws out, I should be able to rotate this. There it is there.
How to avoid this type of the issue? Just gently close the door. Do not slam it. The microwave door is pretty much the same as your washer and dryer or the stove or the fridge. You don't want to slam it all the way, so just gently close it and then push it into the lock position. This is gonna save you lots of money.
So you can tell by looking at the hair, there's some black residue indicating a faulty switch. Here's the new one. Here's your top clip, your bottom clip, and it'll line your screw holes right up.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.